A recent article made clear that while in the womb, the visual organs emerge directly out of the brain, so are an integral component of thought. Eyes are fundamental to the brain's functioning, not separate like bone or skin, but an essential part of existence, making the body complete. The bond between vision and thought needs to be better understood, and its legitimate position as a basic characteristic explored, as if a novel universe or constellation. A planet's orbit in a solar system can be impacted by a meteor or the movement of nearby planetary bodies. Such is the characteristic of an impactful visual insight that may seek entry into the mind.